Hi guys! Another option for you to be able to come to Germany is through Chancenkarte or Opportunity Card. So what is Opportunity Card? So how long is the validation for Opportunity Card? So Opportunity Card, guys, you can apply and look for a job for at least 12 months. So if ever you obtain your university degree or professional qualification in Germany, you can even apply immediately for resident permit under Section 20 of the Gesetz. Pwede kayo mag-apply up to 18 months. Halimbawa, dito kayo nagtapos sa Germany. So what are the options for you to be able to get this Chancenkarte? So number one, guys, you have a foreign professional academic qualification that is fully recognized in Germany. So how to recognize your qualification? You need to search Anabin, Zab. So meron naman silang English na translation sa website nila. So you can find out how to be able to recognize your qualification. So number two, guys, is through score system. So by points, you should get at least 6 points in addition to meet the criteria for Chancenkarte. So, paano ba magkaroon ng points na to? So, there are a lot of criteria that you will able to get points so that you can apply for Chancenkarte. For example, your professional experience, kung may mga working experience na related sa field mo, there's another points. If for your language skills, for example, if you have A1, you already have 1 point, A2, you have 2 points, and for example, your equivalent for your qualification, if you already applied for recognition for foreign qualification and it's found is partially equivalent, you even get 4 points for that. Or if, for example, if your qualification is belong to the shortest qualification in Germany, for example, information and communication technology managers, this is IT. If your profession is also belong to that one, you also get a points. Or age, if you are at between 35 to 40, you also get 1 points for that one. If you already stayed in Germany or yung partner nyo nagstay na sa Germany, meron din kayong points. So that is how it works, guys, on Chancenkarte. Now the question is, how about money? Okay, so you also have to provide block account. So how much is the block account? The same as a language course visa, 1,027 euro per month. So if ever you have a sponsor in Germany, so then you don't have to show block account, then dito na lalabas na naman yung formal obligation or verpflichtung Erklärung. So ito yung another option for you, guys. Kung gusto nyo talagang pumunta sa Germany, pwede kayo mag-Chancenkarte. Kasi yung Chancenkarte kasi, it's really opening you also talagang makapaghanap talaga kayo ng trabaho. Kasi itong Chancenkarte na to, parang they will give you a chance to really to look for a job dito sa Germany. So ang language course visa, of course, it's also good because once you have a language skills in Germany, you have wide opportunities in the job market. Pero kung wala ka kasing language, mahirap talaga unless you are high skilled worker, for example ITs, then may chance na at least sa una hindi pa kayo makapagsalita agad ng German. So guys, I hope it helps you at ipapop up ko dito yung mga ibang information na sakaling hindi ko na bigkas ng maayos for you to be able to find out about Chancenkarte. So good luck and God bless to all of you.